Hey y'all, good morning or good afternoon and happy Sunday. So I've been having a taste for a breakfast burrito. I don't know why, but I just been wanting a breakfast burrito. So today I'm about to try to make me a quick and easy breakfast burrito, and I'm about to put everything in it that I like. First, we're about to start with the eggs. I'm adding a little bit of milk to my eggs and everything bagel seasoning because it makes it fluffy. And y'all know I'm using my non-stick Kitchen Envy breakfast pan. I got some bell peppers and some onions, and I'm about to I added a little bit of spinach to that, and now I'm just putting all my eggs in there with a little bit of cheese, a little bit more of onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. I'm letting that cook up, and I'm about to add a little bit more cheese to it. You see how bomb that looks? And my breakfast pan is top tier. Everything just slides right off. You can really eat it like that. And my breakfast pan is easy to wipe up. Now I'm just cooking my meat. I got some turkey bacon and some turkey sausage. Cook that up. I'm just warming up my tortilla. I also put my hash browns in the air fryer. I'm about to put that in there as well. Added a little bit of mayo, some eggs, and I'm going to add a little bit of hot sauce to it. Okay, maybe a lot of hot sauce. Y'all know I love spicy. And now I'm about to add a little bit of cheese to it. And I honestly overwrapped this burrito and I couldn't close it. So we about to just go to the next one. This is one for Snooks. I'm making it smaller and I'm not putting as much filling in this burrito. And if you was on the live with me yesterday cooking this, then you know that it was a struggle trying to close this burrito. Okay, y'all, now I got it. Oof, I was so happy when I got that burrito, like overly excited. Yes, the burrito is finally closing. So now let me try to redo this other one that I overstuffed. Do not be like me and overstuff your burrito, y'all, because it will be hard to close. Look at me over there struggling. Okay, I'm so happy I got the burrito. I'm about to grill my burrito because I like my burrito grilled. I'm going to grill it for like maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Let's cut this thing open and see how it look. Wow. Y'all can't tell me that do not look bomb. Quick and easy breakfast burrito. Bye, y'all.